Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf. Today, we have a special treat for you, skin rituals that go beyond the surface for some truly deep self-care. We'll be diving into luxurious baths, the magic of body oils, and the healing power of restorative touch. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey to pampering your skin and soul. Let's start by clearing up some common misconceptions about skincare routines. Many of us might think of skincare as a tedious task or just another item on our to-do list. But what if we thought about it differently? Picture this. Your skincare routine isn't just about getting clean and applying products. It's much more than that. This is where the idea of skincare as a ritual comes in. A ritual is something you do with intention and mindfulness. It's not rushed or done haphazardly. When you treat your skincare routine as a ritual, you create a special time for yourself. It's a moment to pause and care for both your body and your mind. Being fully present during your skincare routine can make a significant difference. Feel the textures of your products, notice their scents, and even pay attention to the sounds they make. A gentle pump, a soft pat. These sensory experiences anchor you in the present moment and enhance the entire experience. When you start regarding your skincare routine as a ritual, it transforms into a sacred moment of self-care. It's no longer just about the physical benefits, but about nurturing your mental and emotional well-being too. So, the next time you go through your skincare steps, take a deep breath and savor each one. Enjoy the sensations, and let this daily ritual be a small yet powerful act of self-love. All right, let's talk about one of the most rejuvenating rituals you can do, taking a bath. Now you might think, a bath? Isn't that just a way to get clean? But really, it goes so much deeper than that. Taking a bath is an opportunity to immerse yourself in relaxation and let go of daily stresses. Warm water is like a gentle hug for your muscles, helping them to release tension. It's not just your body that benefits. Your mind gets a much-needed break too. To make your bath even more special, consider adding some herbs and essential oils. Lavender is fantastic for calming and promoting restful sleep. If you're battling anxiety, chamomile can be your best friend. Need emotional comfort? Rose petals can offer that soothing touch. For those times when you need to clear heavy energy, eucalyptus is incredibly refreshing. And if mental clarity is what you're after, clary sage might be the herb for you. Incorporating these into your bath is easier than you might think. You can use essential oils by adding a few drops into a tablespoon of carrier oil and adding the mixture into the water. For herbs, a simple way is to put them in a muslin bag or tea infuser and let them steep in your bath water, just like a giant cup of tea. This way, you get all the benefits without the mess of stray leaves or petals. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, draw a warm bath and take a moment for yourself. Add in some lavender for calm, or eucalyptus to clear your head. Trust me, you'll step out feeling refreshed and ready to take on whatever comes next. Up next, let's explore the benefits of using body oils after bathing or showering. Body oils are a fantastic way to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated. Some of my favorites include jojoba oil, which is very similar to the natural oils our skin produces, and apricot oil, which is lightweight and perfect for sensitive skin. If you're looking for something extra special, try calendula-infused or rose-infused oils. They add an extra layer of therapeutic benefits. Applying body oil isn't just about the physical benefits. It's also a ritual that nurtures your self-love. When you take the time to gently massage the oil into your skin, you create a moment of mindfulness and care. This can be incredibly grounding and soothing, especially after a long day. The key here is to move slowly and be mindful of the sensations. Feel the warmth of your hands, the texture of the oil, and the softness of your skin. This kind of mindful application transforms a simple routine into a nourishing self-care ritual. If you want to add some aromatherapy benefits to your body oil, consider mixing in essential oils. Lavender is perfect for calming and relaxation, while rose oil is wonderful for heart-opening and emotional balance. A few drops of your favorite essential oil can elevate your body oil application into a truly aromatic and therapeutic experience. So, next time you step out of the shower, reach for that bottle of body oil and take a few minutes to pamper yourself. Your skin and your soul will thank you for it. Now, let's dive deeper into something incredibly soothing and nourishing, Restorative Touch with Body Oils. The simple act of smoothing oil onto your skin is so much more than just moisturizing. It's a grounding process that can help center your mind and bring you back to the present moment. Imagine a gentle, warm touch spreading hydration and comfort all over your body. If you're looking for relaxation, I highly recommend a blend of jojoba or almond oil, mixed with a few drops of lavender and frankincense essential oils. This combination helps melt away stress and promotes a sense of calm. On the other hand, if you need a bit of invigoration, try coconut oil with peppermint and rosemary essential oils. The refreshing and stimulating effects can really get your energy flowing. This ritual of anointing your body with oils isn't just beneficial physically, it also cultivates an emotional connection. When you take the time to care for your skin in this way, you're communicating love and attention to your body. It's like telling yourself, I care for you, I cherish you. Taking these few minutes to nourish your skin can uplift your spirit and enrich your emotional well-being. So consider turning your post-shower routine into a moment of mindfulness. Smooth those oils onto your skin lovingly and intentionally, and let it be a practice of self-connection and care. Trust me, your body and your inner self will appreciate this beautiful act of nourishment. Here's a little something to think about and write about in your journal. Ask yourself, what does my skin most need right now? Not just physically, but emotionally. Take some time to really dive into this question. Think about the textures, scents, and little rituals that make you feel cared for and comforted. Consider all the things that contribute to your skin's well-being, from the products you use to the emotions you feel. Once you've reflected on what your skin needs, why not choose one small ritual to incorporate into your weekly routine? It could be something as simple as a weekly face mask, a soothing bath on Sunday nights, or a few moments of facial massage with your favorite oil. These small acts of care can make a big difference in how you feel every day. So go ahead, give it a try, and let it be a new addition to your self-care repertoire. Wow, what a journey we've been on today. We started by reimagining our skincare routines as sacred rituals and explored the rejuvenating power of a bath. We then dived into the richness of body oils and the comforting practice of restorative touch. Remember to treat your skincare as a moment of self-love and care. Let it be a ritual that nourishes both your skin and your soul. Thank you for joining me on this relaxing and enriching episode of Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. Don't forget to subscribe and share the podcast with your friends. You can find the link below to create your own weekly self-care ritual every Friday and my facial massage video below. Your support means so much. Until next time, I'm Carrie Scharf, wishing you radiant rituals and nourished skin. Take care.